Hello, so today I want to talk to you about how to grout a piece. I'm super excited because today I am going to grout my sea scene, my fishy wishy. What else has it got on it? It's got a beautiful seahorse on it as well. It's got some lovely coral on, and I can't wait to get on and do some grouting. I really love grey grout and I use that quite a lot. So I've got some what I'm going to call caracal. You can see that, although it's upside down. Grout. It's really good quality grout and it's in powder form. Let me show you how to mix grout. So I'm going to take a plastic container. You could use a yogurt pot, you can use something that you were going to chuck away. Try and do that and try and be sustainable. Obviously wash it out, and then I'm going to get a rubbishy spoon that I don't want to use, which I use for grouting. If you've got nothing else, obviously use your posh ones, but wash them up afterwards. So this is me putting it into the container, which is in my sink. Well, I'm going to show you in a minute how much grout I've got in there, how much of the powder I've got in there. I've probably put kind of maybe 5 spoons, 6 spoons so far. I'm going to put 10 in with the knowledge that I can put some more in if I want to, so I don't want to waste it. I think that's possibly 10, could even be more. So this is what we've got, and I'll show you the table in a little while so you can see, yeah, how big the table is. So I don't want to do too much grout. And then I'm busy putting water in, which you can't see. This is the water, putting it in. Probably put too much in now because I've been chatting. Gonna throw a little bit away, pour a little bit away, in fact, down the sink. So what's important about the consistency of this grout, I'll show you how to stir it, just stir it in, is that it's like a peanut butter consistency. You know, the one that's got loads of nuts in, that's the consistency that you want to have. So continue mixing until it's really well mixed. I think we need a bit of water, a bit more water. Just do this process, you know, don't put too much water in, just put a little bit as you go, because you can overwater it like you can do with plants, and then you've got too much water in and it's sloppy ploppy, which we do not want. So I'm going to continue with this until it is like a peanut butter consistency. You can see it. Yes, yeah, I think that's going to be okay. Don't think I'm going to do the whole table with that, but in some ways that doesn't matter because I don't want it to dry out. You can have grout, which usually is going to be okay, probably an hour or two before it starts getting dried out, and you want to add a little bit of water in when it gets to that stage, and just stir a little bit of water in if your grout starts drying out, if you're going along in the process of grouting your mosaic piece. You want to get every single bit of the dry grout and mix it. Keep on mixing. I'll have a look without my glasses on. I think that's it. Yeah, I can see a few little bits in the corner that I'm not happy with, so I'm going to continue. Okay, so that's grouting. That's how you mix up some grout. Of course, you can get grout that's been made up already. I really like the powder form for when the piece needs grouting at the very end, when you've stuck everything down originally with grout, and then you go back to do the surface grouting in between the mosaic pieces. Right, I'm going to start grouting. Catch you in a moment.